Today's project is resurfacing some concrete, namely this concrete here, which is, I don't know, this is where the salt, I think the salt has done this, but also it's, I don't know if it wasn't Aaron trained or what, because some guys have good driveways, but I don't. So I've already done this part here. Just trowel it on, and I've got this stuff here, which was kind of expensive, but I think I got it on sale a long time ago, and I'm trying to use it up. And then this here is extremely old too. This I got 1995. It's no younger than 1995. I'm using this. This helps it to stick a little bit. Mix it up in this tub, and I'll show you how I trowel it when I'm ready, when I'm doing it.
Concept with one of these boats is you pull it back and forth. I used to do this for money. Of course, if you're doing it ready, you have it half full. That's harder. So I'm going to mix up really runny stuff, and I'm going to mix in some of this. We used to call it milk. I think this is the same stuff as my 95 stuff. Let's see. Does it say anything about concrete? It says used on all grades of concrete. Turn it off for a while. So I'm going to paint this milky cementy mixture on. It's kind of a primer. It's really rough. So I brush on this milky stuff with some concrete mixture. And then here's the thing: it's old, and it's partially absorbed moisture and hardened, but when is it that everything is perfect? Now, when you're working at home, everything is never perfect. Just do the best you can with the imperfection. So I need a little more stuff. Without fresh new stuff, it wouldn't be doing this, but it's those chunky chunks. I think it'll be all right anyway. Now that's a rock. So you wouldn't think, in this, as rough as this is, you'd think maybe you could use something with rocks in it, but you can't. trowel. It's got rocks in it. Not in a thin layer. It's gotta be a fine mixture. Generally speaking, I've had good luck with this. Oh, you know, I could show you something. Prove my point. This concrete, I call this bonding to concrete. I'll show you where I've done it. Did this, I thought I had more difficulty troweling it. I'm not having any trouble at all. But I want to show you this, what I did years ago, and one thing I want to say about this too is I didn't know if I should do it or not, and so I actually used I actually didn't make a real rich mixture and I could have made it. I didn't use the milk. I didn't use extra Portland, I just used sand mix. And because I thought I might have to chip it off, somebody might complain, and I might have to chip it back off, so I didn't want it to be super strong. And it's been like 5 years. See that right there? That I put that layer of, that's just sand mix, that's just ordinary sand mix. And it's lasted all these years, no problem at all. That's why I say I've had good luck with concrete bonding. So at the end I like to go around the edges with the loose mixture. Really shouldn't be doing it in this hot sun. It was cloudy, clouding up. That's why I'm covering it. Kind of like feathering the edges, this is. Need a little more cement right there. Like a dream. It'll get hot when I cover it up, at least the moisture will be trapped underneath. Now what I'm going to do next. Still got some left. Sticks. Stuff like this can make you tired. If you're really working, makes you tired.